Are you tired of digging through Elementor's confusing panels just to add a simple video? Discover the exact clicks to embed and customize playback in under 3 minutes. We'll open your homepage in Elementor, then walk through the video widget's source, timing, playback, styling, and advanced settings so you can customize everything. To begin, go ahead and edit the homepage using Elementor. First, click on the highlighted element on the page. Then, click on the next highlighted element as well. Now, click on Video to open the video options. Then, click on Source to set the video source. And click on Link to enter the video's link. Next, click on Start Time to define the beginning. Then click on End Time to define the cutoff point. Now go to Video Options for playback settings. Click on Autoplay to enable it. Then click on Mute to turn off sound. And click on Loop to make it repeat. Then click on Style to tweak the appearance. And finally, click on Advanced for more settings. That's it. Enjoy! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.